Okay, here we have the front of my new car. It looks big. It is big. It's pretty. Okay, so now we're going to go around here, and we're going to look inside the car. Look! That's me. Hello. This is inside the car. Here we go. Now we are getting in the car. And here we are, in the car. Okay, now I will turn on the car. Turning on the car. There we go. Alright. Okay. Yeah, that happens all the time. So this is the stereo, as you heard a moment ago. And, right, I've had this car for like 2 hours, so I'm not real clear on where everything is. There we go. And there is my navigation in the car. And in a moment you will see my rear view camera, so I won't run over anybody. Isn't that awesome? Okay. Right. Nope. Wrong way. Okay. So, let me put it back on the CD. There we go. Alright, so, that's the car. There it is. It looks nice. Oh, and my sunroof. Wait. Yay! There it goes. Alright. And now we will look in the back of the car. Oh, wait! I see a Matt Smiley! Okay. So now, this is the back seat of the car. It is large and voluminous and has a stuffed animal, because it wouldn't belong to me if it didn't have one. And then we have the back of the car. This is its cargo space. And the seats fold down, and underneath the floor here there are compartments to hide things in. And it's got a power outlet in the back. And I can actually reach it to make it go down like that. And then that is the back of it. And that is the tour of my new car. Yay!